The Brown Line, or the Ravenswood Line of the Chicago L system, is an 11.4-mile route with 27 stations between Chicago's Albany Park neighborhood and downtown Chicago. It runs completely above ground and is almost entirely grade separated. It is the third busiest L route, with an average of 63,481 passengers boarding each weekday in 2017. Before CTA lines were color-coded in 1993, the Brown Line was known as the Ravenswood Route. Specifically, the series of stations from Belmont to Kimball were called the Ravenswood Branch. Accordingly, the Kimball-Belmont shuttle service was called the Ravenswood Shuttle. The Brown Line is operated with the 2600 series and 3200 series railcars. The Brown Line operate using 4 cars at other times on weekdays and all day on weekends, and 8 cars during weekday rush hours. The Brown Line's 3200 series cars are to remain in service on the line until at least the late 2020s, where they will be replaced by the new 7000 series cars if all options are picked up. Otherwise, the Brown Line's 3200 series cars will remain in service on the line until the 2030s if the options are not picked up. In the meantime, CTA has completed the process of overhauling the 3200 series cars with color LED destination signs, similar to the 5000 series cars, new air conditioning systems, rebuilt propulsion systems, passenger door motors, and wheel/axle assemblies. The 3200 series rehabilitation began in 2015 and was completed in 2018. Later that year, some of the Brown Line's 3200 series cars were transferred to the Blue Line, with some of the Orange Line's 2600 series cars being transferred to the Brown Line. Beginning March 30, 2008, the Brown Line began running 8 cars during rush hours, since all of the reopened or renovated stations have been rebuilt to accommodate 8 cars. Prior to this, although ridership certainly warranted 8 cars on the Brown Line during weekday rush hours, most stations on the line couldn't berth longer than 6 cars. Early morning, midday, late evening, and weekend service is generally provided by 4 cars, although this may be extended to 8 cars due to special events and holidays. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.